Hello there, YouTube. Tiddlywinks is here. What are you going to do without hand tools? Electricity's out. Nothing or nobody to actually help you. You got a car to get running. You got your house to get running. What are you going to do? Probably use hand tools. There are places like Harbor Freight that can actually help you. Their hand tools are designed to be carried for life. If you are unsatisfied, you take them back and you get a new one. I got screwdrivers here, pliers here, wrenches here. Do you need me to keep going on? You could actually run a scrap metal business off of just hand tools. And I do for the most part. Yes, I do use a drill. Sometimes I use my saw. But what the hell? Before I had that, I ran the business off of it. Without it. Guys, get it together. If you want to have a gun, you need tools. If you want to have a life, you need tools. Why pay somebody else to do your work when you could do it for yourself? Anyway, I know a lot of political shit's been going on. That's why I've been on the down low. I really do not feel like getting in the Donald Trump versus Hillary freaking conversation because I don't like to either of them. Okay, Donald Trump is alright. He's actually saying he's going to do a good job. Well, so did Obama. Regardless, don't let Hillary Clinton get in the goddamn office. Get your ass off the couch, quit eating potato chips, and get down to the voting booth and make sure Hillary does not get in. Political videos coming soon. Actually, all videos coming soon. Tiddlywinks is coming back. I'm signing out. Rate, comment, subscribe. I'm the fuck out of here.